mama kobo bi e ba fake ntwi dwuma dey so IMS and then as when they share dwuma dey okay by 2 weeks or 1 week ago na me video about MTN quickloan na so uche wi kra na omo ma obi uche wi a won neka o but time no kra so uche wi a na omo ma so onye qualify na say dia link Ghana card na me be mass updates no na me ka say definitely minya big be ma me send aba na sisi so update aba and me no ba be discuss MTN semre no ma me mo *170# na yen go through loan process no na yen hwe de MTN for the account *170# no much choose me MTN. Okay nti bo say e bi ba say ya traffic na oba beji loan bi a minim say bi a wonim kwan be fa so agi loan bi e ba ogi loan bi dada de a oba 5 no financial services no oba 5 na maybe be next way but no about loans number 3 no loans no about 3 ni so oba quick loan express loan na ahomka loan. Okay nti quick loan about quick loan so ubo quick loan so no about get a loan to say o person di loan and repayment loan to say why the loan be na person utria and na person check loan no car what this is here no and number 3 no but as into o person kind terms and condition and number 5 na about loan so number 4 no it be a person minji loan number first one no I first say the loan no more than omo de bia to ma say we betimi agi bia si wo opinion here say sia no omema me metimi agi loan no metimi ma me loan bi from 20 Ghana cedis to 2000 Ghana cedis nti metimi agi say me to metimi agi 2000 nti bia me pese mo hu ade bi na me pese me nkoto a okay me pese me agi 2000 nti me nim say no e bi omo interest no omo ate so a nti ma me yema say me agi 2000 ya interest na da so no 30 days no about 2000. Okay about 2000 na 2030 days almost the 1.380 like almost 1.4 it was so too much some of the back from interest no was so too much for 30 days because you see I'm on for link on Ghana card into I think the risk in a room no involves say be a company be losing sika no very low into SCC no mo hu ye mo bo no monthly loan so be a 2000 crown be interest no quite 80 Ghana crown na 70 Ghana crown na say be boa into be a maboso about so some percentage loan e dey o me cancel no into na osi loan no mo de be me 2000 no more the interest near 6.9% into you can say 7% interest rate no the interest rate no more than 4% cra my me sure say be Ghana farmer be GB obetimi de aye na dream boni bi amba ni panetrim ina provider into omo mudi loan be ma no omo ye let's he go and let's she go and let's he go meaning let's he okay whatever and terms no 30 days no the amount and there is so 29 July what here we what I say no about next no about say if you don't have some amount we umumu wallet no sa umumu account no so we need eska we wom say 29th ni do now we need eska we wom a late fee of 12.5% say omo de 12.5% of loan no fee no be ka ho nti be ma usika na den akoso 12% e bit ma loan na ba bia be 26 million but still ano omo compose say so twa okay no about next what you say obe accept terms and condition cause what kind be bia say we twa bia no about agree we are power so what kind terms and condition bit ma view terms and condition no hakohwe na wa back nti hana medumu besi loan nti say no MTN for asan ya bia tuntuma moji bia na moji bia emma no say no we no mo de aba me de na 20 Ghana cedis to 2000 Ghana cedis so we loan so make sure say bia o de koya adwuma bia adwuma na de koya na be ma mfaso that I say o share interest na that so be ma mfaso ba o di loan say o di loan e to ho cause waji loan no mfa nya adwuma bia na loan da ho na o di nkaka e ba sa next we na wo twi e be happy amount ti anything biara no yem plan ansa ne yagye loan so de ye ho kwa semu follow fake in share Facebook YouTube ha subscribe channel no e the videos be bra the videos a who here wo Ghana ha bia wo ya de bia unnim atena wo ye no